The story of every Fermat horizontal boring mill starts at the machining shop, and at ours, there is no machine more universal than Fermat Gantry. We build it to machine big size workpieces while maintaining a high level of accuracy. The x-axis is over 25 meters long. And when we needed to expand our machining capacities, we thought where there once was one, now there are two. Two gantries on one bed. This enabled us to take full advantage of the long travel and save money and time in the process. And that's because the machines work simultaneously. Also, you don't need to spend additional money for beds or other accessories such as chip conveyors or cooling systems. And since there are two operator teams, it's very easy for them to assist each other, for example, with manipulation of workpieces. And so, these two gantries, along with our very own power clamping system, help us to achieve more effective production.